Hi, I am Ellen Degenerate and welcome to my show. Today my guest is a doctor, who his patients call Dr. Feelgood, but he is known by his colleagues as Dr. Conrad Murray-Stein. Hello, Dr. Murray-Stein, it is great to have you on our show.
Hi Ellen, it is great to be here. I watch your show and I am a big fan.
I understand that you were quite outspoken in regards to the legalization of all illegal drugs and have received a lot of pushback from your colleagues as well as some large organizations.
Yes, Ellen, that is true. My views have been quite controversial, but if you think about it, making illegal drugs legal makes sense.
Makes sense? Doctor, please enlighten me.
Well, there has been a movement across the country for medical marijuana, which is kind of interesting, since no medical studies have shown any medical benefit with it, but people insist on medical marijuana and setting up dispensaries. To me, medical crystal meth would make more sense, because it can be used for narcolepsy, attention deficit disorder, and weight loss.
But wouldn't that cause more addiction?
You are always going to have a certain percentage of the population that are going to be drug addicts and alcoholics. They are going to get the drugs somewhere, but if you make the drugs legal, then you can eliminate the illegal drug business which controls the supply and the price of drugs. Plus you can control the quality and safety of the drugs that people receive. I always say it is all fun and games until your neighbor's meth lab blows up.
But if you make the drugs legal, won't people be encouraged to become drug addicts since the drugs are legal? They are okay.
Well, we are already seeing that in this country with the opioid crisis created by the pharmaceutical companies with their campaign to have pain as the fifth vital sign, which has resulted in over 50,000 accidental deaths from opioids, or the weight loss scam with fen in the early 2000s, which was basically doctor-prescribed amphetamines. Now they are pushing testosterone.
I don't know if that would be a good idea. I know that they are having some problems with impaired drivers in Colorado and illegal marijuana farms in California.
Yes, that could be a problem, because somehow there is always that greed factor, whether it is the Mexican drug cartels, organized crime, or politicians selling marijuana dispensary licenses to millionaires. Of course, there are a lot of jobs that are supported by enforcing drug laws such as law enforcement, customs, DEA, and the prison system.
Look at Oregon and California, they decriminalized drugs and their streets are littered with addicts and homeless people.
Yes, Hollywood and the media also seem to like to glamorize alcohol and illegal drug use. They do send the wrong message to children on a regular basis. It doesn't look like those social experiments are working out too well either.
Well, doctor, it looks like we are about out of time. Thank you for your time and coming on my show.
Well, thank you Ellen for having me.
Now a few words from our sponsor. Men, do you feel like you're not the man that you were 20 years ago? In bed, do you feel like the thrill is gone and you can no longer satisfy the ladies? Your problem could be low testosterone. Ask your doctor if get some testosterone replacement is right for you.